Oh, I know my Redeemer liveth, and he lives in me. I know my Redeemer giveth, and he gives to me. He gives me faith, grace, joy, and he'll never far away from me. I know my Redeemer liveth, and he lives in me. I know my Redeemer giveth, and he gives freely. He gives me hope, joy, peace, and he's never, never far away from me. Lord, please have your way. Lord, let your name be praised. Father, I offer this vessel, oh Lord, this vessel, and be magnified and praised in me. I know my Redeemer liveth, and giveth, and loveth, and helpeth, and he lives. Give to me. I know my Redeemer, and he gives love to me.